Hello, good morning, students. Today's topic is balance sheet of not for profit organizations. The organizations prepare its balance sheet so that they can know the financial position of their organization. It is prepared by taking assets and liabilities and also fund based items. The following two balances are prepared by the non-profit organizations: opening balance sheet, that is last year balance sheet, and closing balance sheet. Opening balance sheet. Opening balance sheet means last year balance sheet. If in the question the amount of capital fund is not given and asset and liabilities of last year, that is at the beginning of current year, is given, that is for calculating capital fund, be prepare last year balance sheet, that is opening balance sheet, by taking last year liabilities. By taking last year asset and liabilities only. Closing balance sheet. In this balance sheet, all the asset and liabilities of current year is taken only. For asset side, fixed assets of previous year should be shown in closing balance sheet after adjustment, if any, that is purchase new asset in current year should be added, whereas sale of asset or depreciation should be deducted from concerned asset. Second point of asset sides, any prepaid expenses, comma, accrued, due, outstanding income and investment should be shown on asset side. Point number third of asset side, closing balance of cash and bank should be shown on the asset side. Point number 4, closing balance of consumable items, that is the stock which have purchased for self use, that is stationery, medicine, etc., which is left after consumed, is called closing balance of the items and are shown in the asset side of balance sheet, because any asset, any stock which is left at the end of the accounting year is the asset of the organization. For liability sides, all fund based items such as donation, prize fund, tournament fund. Donation means a special donation, not a general donation. Prize fund, tournament fund, etc. are shown in liability side. Second point, if an organization has taken a loan in previous year, then that should be shown in closing balance sheet unless they are repaid in current year. ठीक है. Third point, outstanding expenses, advance income for the next year should be shown in liability side. Fourth point, capital receipts are added in capital fund as legacies, life membership fees and any capitalized income of the current year. Any special fund donation, नेट बैलेंस आर शोन इन लायबिलिटी साइज, मीन्स जो भी फंड बेस्ड आइटम्स होते हैं, जैसे जो प्राइज फंड है, मैच फंड है, टूर्नामेंट फंड है, ठीक है, स्पेशल डोनेशन होता है, इनमें जो हम फंड क्रिएट करते हैं और फंड क्रिएट में मान लो कि कुछ हम उसको अगले साल हमें ज़रूरत है, आज हमने हमारे पास फंड क्रिएट कर दिया, तो उसको जो हम इन्वेस्टमेंट करेंगे और उससे जो हमें रेवेन्यू मिलेगा वो रेवेन्यू प्राइज फंड में ऐड हो जाएगा। एंड जब हम वो जिस काम के लिए हमने फंड क्रिएट किया है, उस काम का जब हम करते हैं तो उस काम में जो हमारे खर्चे होते हैं वो खर्चे उसी फंड में से घटाते हैं, तो उसको नेट बैलेंस ऑफ स्पेशल फंड कहते हैं, जो कि लायबिलिटी साइड में शो किया जाता है। दिस इज अबाउट बैलेंस शीट ऑफ द नॉट फॉर प्रॉफिट ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस and which type of item are shown on liability side and which type of item are shown asset sides. It is a